oscillations. Now we see the explanation of linear SHM. Explanation of linear simple harmonic motion. Explanation of linear simple harmonic motion. We know oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion means the periodic motion to and fro of an object about its mean position is called as oscillatory motion. So that for explanation of linear simple harmonic motion we have considered, suppose this is the path of an object to move to and fro about this mean position. O is the mean position and A is the extreme position on right and B is the extreme position on left. Now from this figure it is clear that O is the mean position, A is the extreme position and B is the another side of extreme positions. And object performs to and fro motion about this mean position along this path. If the object at extreme position, this is the displacement of the particle from extreme position, suppose x, and this is the displacement of object from the mean position in another side, that is also x. But on this path a body or object performs to and fro motion about these mean positions. When the object at extreme position, a force acting on the object along this direction, that is F. F is the force acting on the object along this direction, and at this position also a force F acting along this direction. Now from this figure it is clear that force and displacement are oppositely directed. So particle performs oscillatory motion and this oscillatory motion is a linear simple harmonic motion. This motion is also a linear simple harmonic motion. Now we know that oscillatory motion is a periodic motion. Oscillatory motion is a periodic motion, and when the particle oscillate about this mean position, then it is also oscillatory motion. This oscillatory motion we can say linear simple harmonic motions. Why it is called as linear simple harmonic motions? Because this motion satisfies condition of SHM. Now we see the condition of SHM. Condition of SHM. Number 1, if an object or object performs to and fro motion along this path, it is the linear simple harmonic motion. Why? Because this motion satisfies condition of simple harmonic motion. Number 1, it is periodic. It is periodic. It is periodic. This motion is a periodic motion. First condition. Second, see here, force is always directed toward the mean position. In this, here F is toward the mean position, and here also F is the towards mean position. So that force is always directed towards the mean position. Mean position. And third, the magnitude of force, is directly proportional to the displacement. Directly proportional displacement. That's why F directly proportional to x. So these are the condition of SHM. So all these conditions are satisfied by this motion. That's why this motion is called as linear simple harmonic motion. That's why this motion is called as linear simple harmonic motion. म्हणून या मोशनला आपण लिनियर सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन म्हणतो, कारण ही मोशन या सर्व कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय करते, म्हणून या मोशनला लिनियर सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन म्हणतात. नाउ we can see the detailed explanation of linear simple harmonic motion. Linear simple harmonic motion. Take a spring and one end of the spring tied to the rigid support. This is the rigid support, and another end we have tie a block This is the compressed position. Now this is the stretched position. This is relaxed. And this is compressed. Now see here, figure A. Now this is the block of mass M. Mass M. Now see here, we have taken a spring, one end of the spring tied to the rigid support and another end we have connected a block of mass M, and we have pulled these blocks toward the right and release it, so that this block performs to and fro motion about this mean position. This is the mean position. Now in this case, when the block at this position, at stretched position, the displacement of the block along this direction, and the direction of force is towards the left. F equal to minus kx. Now this is the relaxed position. At this position F equal to 0, and here again this is the direction of displacement, while this is the direction of force, F equal to minus kx. Here in these are the three figures. This is the stressed position, this is the relaxed position and compressed position. Now suppose we have pulled this block towards the right and release. These blocks performs to and fro motion about this mean position. About this mean position. Why? Because when the block at this position, the force F acting on the block towards the left due to the spring, and therefore these blocks move towards the mean position. When these blocks comes to the mean position, again it will be moved towards left and compress it due to the restoring force. Because now we know that according to condition of SHM, F is directly proportional to x. F is directly proportional to x, and therefore F equal to minus kx. This is the restoring force. Restoring force. Now F is the restoring force. When this block at this position, a force acting on the block due to the spring towards the left. Now this block move towards the mean position, but it is not stop at the mean position. Why? Even though force is 0 at mean position, but this block does not stop at the mean position. Why? Due to accelerate, due to the velocity. It has maximum velocity at mean position. Due to that, this block to move beyond the mean position toward the left, and the spring becomes compressed, and when the spring compressed, again a restoring force is produced, and this restoring force acts towards the right, and therefore here direction of force is towards the right, and in this way the block again move towards the mean position, and this situation repeated again and again, and that's why these blocks performs the oscillation about mean position. That's why this motion is known as linear simple harmonic motion. But this motion having acceleration, so that acceleration A equal to F by m. F by m. But we know that F equal to minus kx, therefore A equal to minus kx upon m. A equal to minus k by m x. But k by m is a constant. K is a force constant and m is the mass of the block. This is constant. Therefore, again, acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement. Acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement, and we can put a constant, that is omega square instead of k by m. Therefore, acceleration A equal to minus omega square x. This is the acceleration. This is the acceleration. So that due to the restoring force, this block performs to and fro motion about this mean position, and this motion satisfy all the condition of SHM. That's why this motion is known as linear simple harmonic motion. Now we can see the definition of linear simple harmonic motion. Definition of linear simple harmonic motion. linear simple harmonic motion, linear SHM, is a periodic motion in which force or acceleration directed towards the mean position and its magnitude is directly proportional to the displacement from the mean position. This is the definition of linear simple harmonic motion. What is linear simple harmonic motion? Linear SHM is a periodic motion in which force or acceleration directed toward the mean position and its magnitude is directly proportional to the displacement from the mean position. This motion is known as linear simple harmonic motion because these motions satisfy all the condition of SHM, and we know the very well condition of SHM.